do this. Single rider is open. Test track is online. Can't pass that up. Although I don't want to go into this with a battery and all that. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna unplug it. Alright. We're unplugged. We are ready to go. Hey. Going for the experience. Yeah, take time. In these rooms you can build your car and then test your designs during the experience. Thank you.
So this one is a single
There's a little bit of line, so I'm going to cut the video and I will start things as we get on the ride. Here's where if you program your car, you can actually load it in and then play along with the game as you are riding. All right, everybody. Enjoy the ride.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times, including supervised children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
So far, you're first. Is that your car? I don't know.
Scanning SIM card for optimal aerial efficiency. Gauging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
There you go. That's good. Number one. Okay.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Now that was awesome. We can, oh, I'm not even looking. I'm not even going to get it. But, that was definitely awesome. All right. Who wants this car? They keep on getting sportier and sportier, and I actually like them. I really like them. Look at that engine. Look at that thing. Oh no, you're fine. Whoop, watch behind you. That is awesome. No, you're good. Thank you though. That kid was nice. He was trying not to get in my picture. But that's what it's all about. Let's go see cars more my price range. That thing's too big. That thing's too small. Colorado, nah. Maybe they don't have it. That's awesome. Heading. Test track. Done. Check off that ride.